how to buy zero ontology system token. So this token came under the symbol of SolFunMeme. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. So the liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's good. That means your investment in a safe place. To be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address came under the Solana network. Open your Phantom wallet for that. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address here. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you receive of that token. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter. This is the only provider that's available now. Now make sure to read all of this information here. After that, click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face an issue, just go back to this page and squeeze the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage. After that, go and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the SolFunMeme token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in this video.